In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Figma. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your text styling comes out just right. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, prepare your page by navigating to the file or frame you want to work on. Make sure you have the text layer you want to edit ready on the canvas, and zoom in enough so you can clearly see what you're selecting. Next, select your text layer and highlight the exact characters you want to superscript. For example, if your text includes the letters PM and you want those set above the baseline, drag across just those letters so they're highlighted. Superscript only applies to the selected portion, so be precise with your selection to avoid changing more than intended. Now look to the right-hand side of the screen. In the Design panel, under Typography, you'll see the text controls for your selected layer. Click the Settings button in that typography area to open more options. This reveals additional controls beyond the basic font and size. You'll notice 3 tabs or sections here: Basic, Details, and Variable. Basic covers everyday settings like font family and weight, while Variable appears when your font supports variable axes. For what we need today, click Details. Once you're in Details, scroll down until you find the section labeled Position. This is where Figma lets you control baseline adjustments for selected characters. You'll see options like Normal, Superscript, and sometimes Subscript, depending on your version and font capabilities. Simply click Superscript. Instantly, the highlighted characters will shift up and scale appropriately, matching the visual style you expect for things like footnotes, ordinal indicators, or measurement units. If the result looks a bit tight or loose, remember that superscripting can affect readability at smaller sizes. Consider slightly increasing letter spacing or font size for the surrounding text if needed, but keep your changes subtle to maintain a cohesive look. Also, note that some fonts render superscripts more elegantly than others. If your font's superscript appears too small or faint, preview a different font to see if it gives you a cleaner result. To revert at any time, highlight the same characters, go back to Position, and switch it back to Normal. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, prepare your page, highlight the portion you want, go to Typography Settings, choose Details, and in Position, click Superscript. You now have a quick, consistent way to style text precisely in your designs.